How are y'all doing today? I hope everybody's having a blessed day. Today we are going to talk about the best website to compare crypto borrowing and lending rates. If you want to borrow against your crypto or lend your crypto and get paid out at APY, let me show you a platform where you can see a dashboard of all the different crypto borrowing and lending protocols and decide which one you want to use based on who's paying out the highest APY or where you can borrow your crypto for the lowest APR. Let's get right into it. So the platform I'm talking to you today is called DeFi Rate. Now, I've talked about this platform before on my TikTok, so if you're not following me on TikTok, make sure to go hit that follow button on TikTok. And at the bottom of the screen is my TikTok Wi-Fi dollar. But this is a great platform to use. Now, this platform only has the centralized exchanges of crypto protocols. No DeFi exchange really on here, well, except for DYDX. But you have all the best or biggest crypto borrow and lending protocols, crypto loan protocols, and it shows their different APYs and APRs. Now, we're on the borrowing section here. You go to current rates and you click borrow. If you want to borrow against your crypto protocols, it shows you where you can get the best percentages. Now, obviously here, the best percentage would be DYDX, okay? You can borrow against your DAI or USDT for 0.02%. That's basically nothing. Now, people borrow against their own crypto profits because they want to pay less taxes. You don't pay taxes on loans in the United States. That's where I live. You don't pay taxes on loans. So that's why they take out those loans against their own crypto, using their crypto as collateral, okay? It looks like Nexo is actually even paying -2%. So that means they're actually even paying you to take out a loan against it on Nexo. That's very interesting here. All right, so you can use this aggregator here to see where are your best rates going to come from and compare these different protocols if you would want to borrow. All right, it has anything from stable coins all the way to Ampleforth, Avalanche. As you can see, you can scroll down the list and it shows you the different cryptocurrencies. Now, this list goes all the way down, all right? There's a lot of different cryptocurrencies you can choose from. Now, if you wish not only to borrow, but if you wish to lend crypto. Now, what is lending crypto for? Lending crypto is basically putting your crypto on an exchange or a protocol in order to get paid out an APY, an average percentage yield, all right? You're looking for yield. Now, these protocols, they pay out some pretty good yields here. It's nothing like Anchor Protocol or some of these other protocols, but you can get a good 5 to 6 to 7% on your cryptocurrency if you loan it out, or not loan it out, but if you lend it out to these crypto exchanges. It's called crypto lending. All right, you can get your 9% on your USDC on BlockFi. That's not too bad. That probably would be the highest percentage that they would pay out on this dashboard here. You can get 8% on a lot of different things on Nexo. But yeah, this platform is an aggregator of data that shows you the best rates for crypto borrowing and lending. All right, it's pretty simple. I will make sure to put the link for this website in the description of this video so y'all have very easy access to it. But that's it. But let's say you wanted to buy DAI, USDC, ETH, or some of these other cryptocurrencies here. The platform that I'm growing to love is called Gate.io. You can buy cryptocurrencies for very low transactional fees. You can buy almost any cryptocurrency on that exchange. So if you don't already have a Gate.io account, make sure to look in the description because my referral link is there. When you sign up, you'll get some free crypto, and I'll also get some free crypto. It will help the both of us out. That's all I have for y'all today. Make sure if you want to borrow or lend on a crypto protocol, make sure to check out DeFi Rate. It's a very much helpful resource and tool to use when you're doing crypto borrowing and lending. Y'all have a blessed day.